Hi guys, this is Mike. Let's have a quick update about gold together on all time frames, actually monthly, weekly, daily, 4 hours, all time frames. The RSI is overextended and we are at the overbought area. This is the monthly time frame. As you can see, it's been few months. The RSI is at the overbought area. If you go and switch on weekly time frame, it's been few weeks. Actually, for several times we see the RSI for weekly time frame for gold is at the overbought area as well. On daily time frame we can see the similar things. The RSI on daily time frame is at the overbought area as well. If we go back on the weekly time frame, I did mention about this trend line, the white one I have got in here. I did mention about this one. It might work as a strong resistance for gold. Now we are at this trend line we have got at the moment. The week is not over yet, and if we see rejection to the downside, I'm expecting next week to get back to this trend line and we see a bigger rejection to the downside from gold. If you go on the 4-hour time frame, what do we have in here? On 4-hour time frame, if you check the RSI, actually we have got the bearish divergence. The RSI made a lower high, but the price of gold actually made a higher high. Now we have got the bearish divergence on 4-hour on 4-hour time frame for gold. Actually, because of that, I'm expecting a rejection to the downside. The other thing which is really important, gold was playing above this trend line I have got in here and got broke the downside for the second time. Is backtesting this trend line, and I'm expecting a big rejection to the downside to about the 3030, which is the previous resistance and support we have got. This is the trend line we have got in here. When the price of gold reached to about this area, I'm expecting this yellow trend line work as a support, and this white horizontal trend line I've got in here, which is the previous resistance and support for gold, work as a really nice support as well for gold. When the price of gold reached to about this area, if we cannot hold and break to the downside, we are going to see more rejection to downside in the next few weeks for gold. But if actually can hold about this area, maybe we see another leg to the upside from the gold price. But at the moment for short term, actually I'm expecting a rejection to the downside today and maybe tomorrow. We see a rejection to the downside, and after that we see if gold actually can hold this line, we are going to see another attempt to the upside for gold. But according to this trend line on weekly time frame I have got in here, I'm expecting more downside movement from gold because of this trend line I've got in here rather than upside movement. If we see this week, actually till tomorrow night, the candle close in red, I think the week after that and the next few weeks we are going to see more downside movement for gold to about this trend line we have got, which is about the 2900. That was all from me for today, guys. I hope you guys enjoyed that one, and see you in the next video.